Well, I believe you'll be learning a lot from this short you did brought to you to enhance your data analysis or knowledge. We are in the 18 and we'll be talking about working with Power Query. Power Query, it's an Excel feature that allows you to connect various data, transform the data and load it into what Excel. Benefits of using Power Query: data connections, data transformation, data loading, data refresh. When you talk about data connections, you're talking about connect various data sources such as data bases, files, and web page. Data transformation transforms data into a usable format, including data cleansing, filtering, and word grouping. Then data loading loads transform data into a cell for further analysis. Data refresh data in real time, ensuring that your analysis is always up to that will be it for this class on working with Power Query. I believe you enjoyed the class so far. Okay, here is the Excel worksheet. I'll be showing you how to import your data set and how to carry out your query in it. Okay, for instance, I want to import a data set to carry out a query. Come to insert, sorry, you go to data, you come here where you have get data, click on get data, file, you go to get data from Excel worksheet. These are the various places where you could get data from. Whichever one you want to go, click on it, brings me to my document. Using the sales data for instance, import. It will now bring me to what the query Canva in Excel. It just simply means here I will need to make every adjustment, I need to make every corrections, I need to make any error, anything that I need to correct, I will need to correct it here before I will now um load. Once I load it, it will come into the proper Excel worksheet. That's just the difference between the query and the normal Excel worksheet. It's just a Canva or a space where you make your corrections, editing or something before it's now transformed and loaded to what normal Excel worksheet. So you go to what transform data. So it brings you to this canvas space where you have your Power Query editor. Get to edit, remove, do anything you want to do on this space before you now go to what close and load for it to what be applied in the proper Excel worksheet, which is this one where my arrow is. Okay, so that's it for what Power Query.
Very well, that will be the end of this class. Thank you for staying with us on a short while. Get to see you in our other videos.